In this video, we'll introduce the wiring process for the BLDX 1000A485S controller. This solution uses two drivers to control four brushless motors. One driver controls the two front motors, and the other controls the two rear motors. Then, let's identify the key terminals on the controller. Motor phase wires for the 4-motor. Hall signal port. Power input. We're using a single power supply. It's connected to driver 1 first. And then we run a set of wires from driver 1 to power up driver 2. Signal output port. It is connected to the signal receiver of the remote control. The control signal wiring follows the same principle as the power wiring. See diagram for signal receiver wiring. Once the wiring is completed, the motors can be controlled via the remote. This concludes the wiring demonstration. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.